In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook password on PC. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll see on a Windows computer and make sure your Microsoft account and therefore Outlook gets a fresh, secure password. Start by opening your browser and going to accountmicrosoft.com, then sign in with the Microsoft account that you use for Outlook. This is the same account you use for Outlook on the web and other Microsoft services. If you manage multiple accounts, double check you're signed into the right one before continuing so you don't change the wrong password. Once you're in, look for the top menu and select Security. This is the hub where Microsoft groups sign in and protection settings. If you don't immediately see Security, expand the navigation or look for a tab or button labeled Security. Layout can vary slightly, but it's always there. If you have two-step verification turned on, Microsoft will ask you to verify it's really you. Follow the prompt you see. This could be an approval in your Authenticator app, a code sent to your email, or a text message. Complete that verification to continue. This extra check is important. It prevents unauthorized changes to your account. After you're verified, find and click Change Password. That takes you to the password update screen. Here's where you create the new password you'll use going forward. Enter your new password in the first field. Aim for something strong and memorable to you, but hard for others to guess. A good rule of thumb is to use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using common words, personal details, or anything you've used on other sites. A password manager can generate and store a secure password if you prefer not to invent one yourself. Next, re-enter the same password in the confirmation field. Take a moment to make sure both entries match exactly. If there's a show option, it can help you spot typos. Consistency here prevents errors and saves you a trip back to this page. When everything looks correct, click Save. Microsoft will update your account, and your new password will now protect your Outlook and other connected Microsoft services. It's normal if you're asked to sign in again in some apps. Outlook on your PC may prompt you to authenticate the next time it syncs. Just use the new password when it does. That's it. You signed in at accountmicrosoft.com, went to security, completed verification if asked, chose change password, entered and confirmed a strong new password, and saved your changes. Keep your recovery info up to date and consider using two-step verification if you haven't already for even better protection. Thanks for watching and take care of your account security.